Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to remove printing and text copying restriction of a PDF file in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say I have a PDF file here on my desktop screen. So let me try to open it. So I can open this PDF file, right? But you can see here on the above the printing option. As you can see, no printing permission. Even I can save or edit, and even if I try to select text and if I right mouse click, even there is no any option to save or copy anything. So I don't have permissions for printing as well as text copying. So how you can remove such printing and text copying restriction? So for this, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, you can see here free download. Just click on it. Now you can see one more download option. So right now I'm not gonna download again since I have already downloaded the software. So you just click on this download option and download this application firstly, and after that just double click on the software which you have downloaded. Now just click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Just click on finish. Now you can see the software shortcut icon on your desktop screen. Just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So now just click on this add files, locate to the folder we have saved the PDF file, select the PDF file, click on open. Now it will be added. So you can see the output location here where the final conversion will be saved. So you can change this very folder also. I'll just keep it in desktop right now. And now just click on this unlock. Finally you can see successfully finished. Click on OK and just minimize it. Now you can see here on my desktop home screen written unlocked. So let me try to open it. So now you can see the printing option is available. If I click on this printing, so finally I can print now. And even if I want to copy the text, now you can see the copy option is also available. So let us check the original file again. So this is the original file. So you can see here no printing permission. If I select some text also and if I right click, there is no any copy option. But one drawback of the software is that this process will only gonna work with those PDF files which can open, but only being restricted from printing or text copying. But if you have a PDF file which is password protected for opening such PDF file, so you can see this is a password protected, so in that case this software will not be able to work for you. So let me show you. So you can see here it's unable to proceed since you need to have a PDF file opening password. So only the software will gonna work for those PDF files which are viewable and only being restricted from printing or text copying. So kindly note it. So by using this software you can easily remove printing and text copying restrictions of a PDF file in any Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.